Hi everyone, it's Ian at DIY Home and Gardening. Just doing a gardening job today, so I thought I'd do a quick video on how to deadhead rhododendrons. Yeah, it's literally going to be about a minute long. Right, so I'm doing a gardening job today. Just stumbled across this rhododendron, so I thought a good chance to show you just really how simple it is to deadhead a rhododendron. And this is it, thumb, forefinger, bend it, snap it. You can already see the new sprouts forming, so there be the new shoots. But yeah, it's that easy. You literally go around, just snap them out, and then you'll get new shoots forming from there. If you want to prune it back, then now is also the time to do it, and then it'll make sufficient growth to hold flower for next year. And the key with rhododendrons and things like camellias, azaleas, don't want to dry out in the summer. If they dry out in the summer, they won't form flower for the spring. Simple.